Making a website for free is totally doable with the right tools. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. 1. Choose a website builder. You don't need to know coding to create a website. These free website builders are easy to use and provide templates to help you get started. Wix. User-friendly, with a drag-and-drop editor. Free plan includes hosting and a Wix subdomain, e.g., yourname.wixsite.com. Weebly. Another simple drag-and-drop builder, with a free plan that includes a subdomain. WordPress.com. Great for blogs or general websites. You get a WordPress subdomain, e.g., yourname.wordpress.com, and you can upgrade to add more features later. Google Sites. Easy to use and integrates well with other Google services, but more limited in terms of customization. Strikingly, allows for simple one-page websites with a free plan that includes a subdomain. 2. Pick a template. After signing up for one of these platforms, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Many website builders have ready-made templates tailored for different industries or use cases. Choose one that fits your style and needs. 3. Customize your website. Add your content. Replace the placeholder text and images with your own content. Add your bio, product info, blog posts, portfolio, etc. design and layout. Most website builders let you drag and drop elements around the page, so you can make your site as customized as you want. You can change colors, fonts, and layout styles. Navigation. Add a menu so users can easily navigate between your pages. 4. Add features. Contact forms. Many website builders include a simple form widget so visitors can contact you directly. Social media links. Link your social media profiles to your site so visitors can follow you easily. SEO. Ensure your pages are optimized for search engines. Most builders allow you to add page titles, descriptions, and keywords. 5. Publish your website. Once you're happy with your site, hit the Publish button. With free plans, you'll get a subdomain, like yourname.buildername.com. If you want to use a custom domain, e.g., yourname.com, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan or purchase a domain separately through a provider like Namecheap or Google Domains. 6. Maintain your site. Update your content regularly and check that everything is working properly. Even if you don't have a ton of visitors right away, keep improving and tweaking the site to make it better. Bonus tips. Free hosting. Most free website builders offer free hosting, so you don't have to worry about that part. Limitations. Be aware that free plans often come with limitations, such as ads on your website or limited storage. You can always upgrade to remove these once you're ready to invest more in your site. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.